So we're using, instead of sugar, we're using cane coconut sugar. Okay, just a little bit like this. You can use normal sugar also. We're going with 100 milliliters of water, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 1, 2, 2 tablespoons light premium soy sauce, 1, 2, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon Worcester sauce, just like that, touch. We're gonna put some drops of this spicy famous noodle sauce. So we're done with the sauce, but to make the sauce more thick, we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in 2 teaspoons of water.